Lenny here from Purposely Pixel, and today I'm going to talk about the Pixel 6 Pro and why I am very excited for it, as well as I think every other Pixel fan out there should be. And there's a few reasons. Last year, this was our flagship, the Pixel 5, which I've been using ever since. Great device, have no issues with it. A lot of people didn't consider it a flagship, but it is a flagship. And I'll give you the meaning of a flagship, and I'll put it on the screen so you could see. A flagship, the finest, largest, or most important one of the group of things, such as products. The reason why this is the flagship is because out of the two devices released at that time, it was the 4A 5G and the Pixel 5. The Pixel 5 included the most features and clicked the most boxes for a flagship device. It included the 90 Hz refresh rate screen. It added 2 extra gigs of RAM to bring it up to 8 gigs of RAM. It had wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. It had a more durable screen with Gorilla Glass 6. It also added IP68 waterproofing and dusting rating, which the 4A 5G didn't. So by all accounts, it was Google's flagship for that year. Now, fast forward to 2021, and we're talking about the Pixel 6 Pro. And I'm only talking about the Pro today because I'm going to talk about the device that has everything. I really personally, and this is a rant, I despise the fact that companies do this, that they'll have the Pro and then they'll have the regular 6, or let's say, you know, the S21 and then the S21 Ultra, and they remove little bits and pieces. Not everyone wants the super large screen, not everyone wants the small screen, but everyone wants all the features included. But that's a little off topic. Let's get back to the 6 Pro and why I think it's the device that Pixel fans have been waiting for. New camera hardware. We've had the same camera hardware for a few years, and although it performs great, it still can compete with all the top line flagships that are out there. It's limited in certain areas. We know it's a great point and shoot camera. We know it could take excellent night photos, excellent portrait photos, but as Pixel fans, we're wanting more, right? We want to take it to the next level. So that's one of the reasons. The Pixel 6 Pro is going to have the most cameras on any Pixel 6 device, right? They're going to have a triple array of cameras. They're going to have the telephoto, wide angle, and ultra wide, which we're all excited about. Second reason, it's going to be combined with their own Tensor chip. This is something new that Google's doing. They never did it before. They usually use Qualcomm chips. Now they're using a Tensor chip. So a la Apple, you're going to have software and hardware combination. And Google phones alone have excellent software. I've used many of Samsung phones, and they're fast and quick, but the fluidity and the smoothness of a Pixel is something you have to experience. We also have a totally brand new design profile, right? The Google Pixel 6 looks totally different than the previous Pixel devices like the 4A, the 4A 5G, the 5, the 5A. They all had this similar look, right? The square camera module, the fingerprint scanner on the back, camera cut out to the left-hand side of the screen. Now we're going to have the camera cut out centered. We're going to have an in-finger display, which is going to give us a better screen-to-body ratio, somewhere around 89-90. We're going to get a massive 6.7-inch screen, which is probably the largest screen ever on a Pixel device. So you have the new hardware, the largest screen, and it's not going to be a 1080p now, right? They're up in the resolution to 1440 by 3120. These are the rumored specs, but I'm almost guaranteed that's going to be it. And it's a 512 ppi, right? Which is a lot compared to the Pixel 5 or the Pixel 5a, which was 413. The Pixel 5 is 431. So it's almost, you know, a more dense screen, more vibrant, more colors, you know, just a nicer display in general, plain and simple. They're going to focus more on video, which is something as a Pixel fan we would love. It's just a dramatic jump from the Pixel 5 to the Pixel 6 Pro, and I'm super excited about it. I'm sure many of, from what I see on Twitter and on the internet, Plenty of people are looking forward to the Pixel 6 Pro, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Comment below. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 6 Pro. Let me know what you're most excited for or least excited for. And let's just talk about the Pixel 6 Pro as Pixel fans. And I can't wait for October when it's quote-unquote going to be released. That with, again, Android 12, the new chip, the new camera hardware. It's just an exciting time for Pixel fans. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. This is Lenny signing off from Purposely Pixel. Thank you for watching.